Hey everyone, I'm Felix, an English Center Study Program student from Universitas Maju. Now I will give you a tutorial and review about how to use EnglishPage.com. EnglishPage.com is a website that provides free online English lesson and ESL or EFL resources. It focuses on grammar exercises and it also provides English games and student forums to enable you learn English in different ways. The exercises in EnglishPage.com is intended to intermediate level students up to advanced level students, so it will be useful and suitable for both students to enhance their grammar skill. Okay, now I will demonstrate how to use EnglishPage.com. Let's get started. Firstly, what you have to do is open your web browser and type www.englishpage.com. Or you just can type the keyword of English page in your search engine. And we can see in the left side of the English page there are several lessons in the menu. And in the center, we can see the short description of several lessons. And I will not explain the whole lesson that provided by English page, but I will explain a few lessons. And the other, you can just try it by yourself. And the first one is weekly lesson. In this weekly lesson, you will get different topic each week. And this week will be adverbs, adjective, and linking verbs. And here it is, the exercise. I will not demonstrate how to do this exercise now, but I will show you later. It's very easy in this exercise because you have two different choices. Yeah. And the other lesson is vocabulary. In vocabulary lesson, you will find different topics of vocabulary exercises. I choose unique personalities. And in unique personalities, there are two parts. The first one is the vocabulary table that related to unique personalities topic. You can learn it first before you do the exercises. Yeah, this is the unique personalities vocabulary in conversation exercise. Another lesson is grammar book. In grammar book, you will find various and complete grammar topics. It will be very helpful and useful for you. You see, this is very complete, right? And for example, I choose of versus n. Yeah, in of versus n, you may found that there are short theories that you can learn first before you do the exercise below. The higher the exercise, actually, the more difficult the exercise. The most important lesson is verb tenses. In verb tense, you will find several topics which is combined into one in every exercise. It's very challenging. And I will demonstrate you how to do the exercises. I will choose verb tense exercise 1. The topic is simple present and present continuous. Firstly, what you have to do is read the following instruction. The instruction is using the words in parentheses, complete the text below with the appropriate tenses, then click the check button to check your answers. But if you're not understand with this instruction, you just can scroll it down and click verb tense tutorial. In verb tense tutorial, you can read the tutorial more clearly here, and if you already understand it, just can go back to the exercise. Okay, I will try to do the exercise. Every Monday, Sally drives. It's very easy, and you can try another exercise if you want the difficult one. And be careful because you should type. It's different with the other exercise which enable you to choose between two different answers, right? And don't worry if you get stuck or you do not know the answer, you just can click hint right here. And the hint will be in the form of a letter, not a word. So it pushes you to guess what is the right answer. And in the last question, I will make it wrong. So you will know what if you make a mistake and what happened with this exercise if you make a mistake. Check. Your score is 89%. Some of your answers are incorrect. Incorrect answers have been left in place for you to change. So that is what happens when you make a mistake. The wrong answer will be stay the same and wait for you to change it. Check. Correct, well done. Your score is 93%. Why is it not 100%? Because you do not answer it correctly. I'm sorry, I do not answer it correctly. And I have to correct one question, one wrong question. Therefore, I get 93%. It's very fun, right? And it's very creative way to learn English because you just do not get the answer, the hint quickly and in easy way, but you have to guess it by yourself. And lastly, when you make a mistake, it stays the same and wait for you to change it. So you know which one is the wrong and which one is right. And for listening launch, yeah, this is the listening lesson that provided by English Speech. It's not very effective anyway, because when I click the Talk of the Nation, it is directed into another website and you have to buy the lesson. It's not effective. So I recommend you not to learn or enhance your listening skill through this EnglishSpeech.com. And for the games, I choose Eating Out. Yeah, it's very fun because we have crossword. It's very suitable for intermediate and up to advanced learners, but not for kids maybe, because it's a little bit hard. And for student forums, in student forums, you can share your difficulties in learning English and ask any question about English lessons with people around the world. But you have to register and become a member. Actually, this is the end of English speech tutorial. Now about the review. In my opinion, the positive side of EnglishSpeech.com, it is really suitable for intermediate level students up to advanced level students. Secondly, it has various grammar exercises and it's very helpful for students to enhance their grammar skill. And for the negative side, this website actually do not have a very unique or good design. So the design is very simple And maybe for beginner students, they will think twice if they want to use EnglishBits.com. Secondly, the listening lesson in this website is not effective because we are directed into another website to have that listening lesson. And thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will be useful for you. And don't forget, if you have any questions you want to ask me, feel free to ask any question in filestephanie.insight@gmail.com. See you soon!